Guess where we are? So cool.
Halika na, tawid na.
Beach kami. Maliligo kami sa beach. Charot. Wow.
Kaya ang babo ng dagat. Sarap yun.
Look at my feet. Look at my feet. Dala kaming lace. Lace. Picnic while walking.
Eating while walking. Tapos na yung ano. Tapos na yung tawag na yun.
Iftar?
Iftar. So we can eat now while walking.
Yes.
But before 6 o'clock, we cannot eat anything. We can eat only inside the house or in the pantry.
Nakaupo lang kami. Malamiga, simoy ng
Kailangan kami
hangin.
ng fresh air.
Fresh air. This is the view. Ay, may dumaan. Dalian nyo maglakad, please. Maganda ang view. Ah! Ah! Galing kami dito. Tapos nilakad namin all the way from here. Tapos umikot dito. Paikot lang siya. Ay, may dagat na doon. Dagat na doon. So, malayo. So, pag ano. Ito kami. Tapos may mga libre daw tent like this one, like this one. Kaso occupy na silang lahat. Kaya dito na lang kami umupo. Katabi niya ay isang mini resto. Mini cafe. Para din na kami bumili. Nagdala kami ng food. Yun ang tsokolate. May tsokolate. Matcha. Tapos tubig. Wala. Milk chocolate. Ooh. Agua bendita, nandito ka ba? Or kaya si Little Mermaid, Ariel.
Chokoy lang dyan. Ayan o si
Cute. Mamzar Beach. Heart. Cute. Ay, naglagay nitong. Cute naman. I don't know what. Sir? Huh? Amazing. They are interesting to study. Researchers over the years have studying
a lot.
a lot.
Yet,
Yet
there
there are
are
many, ano na siya ng dagat. There are many more wonders to yes. Go, preach about it. Oh, meron pa. Thank you. Ha? Bye-bye. Okay, bye.
bye for now.
Napagod na siya. Nakaupo na. Upo na si Mamay. Bye for now. Thank you for relaxing scene.
The next station is
Hello! Punta kami ngayon doon sa Coca-Cola Arena. Kasi manonood kami ng concert. Look at my feet. Look at my feet. Tapos, yan ako, kinostomize. Nilagyan ko ng mga shining, shimmering, splendid. Pakita ko. Yan. B for bamboo. Ito S for Sarah. Kaso nawala na yung iba. Wala nang tala. Natatanggal na yung iba.
Dami ng tao, nakapila.
Wow, daming tao. Hello again, Coca-Cola Arena. I'm back. Hello. Hello.
Hi, good evening.
Hello.
Welcome. You know your seat number?
Let's give a warm welcome to one of the most exciting voices in the region, a semi-finalist of the Voice Arabia and singing sensation. Please put your hands together for Yaman!
Sinisigaw nitong aking puso. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka, at sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay ko ito. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. Ang pag-ibig lumalalim, di akala sa
Isigaw, pag ginalaw, may takot at tatawid. Sa tatawid, mandako'y pinabako. Ikaw lang ang
di na matapuan ng ngiti. Lumapit ka kaya sa aking nangitaw. May taglay sa kaya ng ligaya na nilaksa. Kung magtiwala sa gabi ako ay mahiwaga. Kumapit ka kaya sa aking nangitawan. May kamay sa kalayaan na ligaya na nilaksa. Kay magtiwala sa at ngayong gabi ako ay mahiwaga. Everybody, put your hands up, put your hands up. We always cry, 'cause we must leave and get undone. We must engage, we wait, and turn us back to the world. So until we got to come and kill each other one more time. We get too high, and all together, we got to raise the thing. Seems you cannot focus, and not the want to know how true we love. Oh, in this world, it's just fun. You know it's not the same as it was. In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. As it was. As it was. You know it's not the same. Go home, get ahead, watch speed, take a nap. Now I wanna talk about the way that it was. Leave America to kiss one of her. I don't wanna talk about us doing it first. As it was, as it was. You know it's not the same as it was. As it was, as it was. You know it's not the same as it was. As it was, as it was. You know it's not the same. Hindi ko na pinapunay ng mga pangalan. Ang kulay at nakakay di siyang dahilan. Napahaming ang lubos sa kaisipan at ang hustisya ay anak sa mayabang. Sa wasi niya, di matatapos ang mundo. Pag-iisip, di na matutulog ang loob. Ang sagot, di na lumilipad, di na nahuhulog dito. Mga araw ko So maybe tomorrow, when it is for me, only kindness you left behind. This mirror's an open door, I can barely stay and see myself. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm crying out for help. Oh,
back here in Dubai to perform para po sa inyong lahat ng mga kababayan namin. This next song is written by Coach Bamboo himself.
This one's called Treading Water. Darling, I know I've done you wrong. I can't help myself. I need that shoulder to cry on. Baby, when I do, I'm gone. Just treading water. Got the whole world stuck on praying tonight. Let me tell you now. Got the whole world stuck on praying tonight. So I don't just lean on me. Lean on me, baby. Lean on me, baby. Somewhere only we know, 'cause this could be the end of everything. Somewhere only we go, somewhere only we know. Deseando humingi ako sa gitna. Cause if one day you wake up and find that you're missing me, and your heart starts to wonder where all this love I can be, thinking maybe you come back here to the place that we meet. Will she be waiting for you on the corner of the street? So I'm not moving, I'm not moving. Tumatakbo sa walang hanggang kahit tumatakbo. Ang pag-ibig natin na parang biyahe, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot. Pilipinas ka na nga, music! Because time may pass, but longer than endless, I'll be by your side. Forever by your side. Forever by your side. So you won't cry. Narinig mo ba ang isang sama? This is our song. Maraming salamat po.
Diba? Sa'yo, mas masaya siya. Mas masaya siya mag-concert.
Gusto ko. Parang sarili na yung stage.
Super powerful and energetic.
Sulit ang binayad ko.
Sulit ang 1/4 na.
Nabingi ako sa likod ko, tsaka yung sa harapan ko, nahihinga.
Ganda ng performance nila. So grabe.
Grabe si Bamboo.
Grabe. Ang gwapo ng boses ni Bamboo.
Super. Talagang, pag si Bamboo na ang kakanta, naghihiyawan ng mga tao.
Super. Isa na ako sa pinakamalakas sumiyaw.
Umiyaw ka?
Oo naman.
Oh, nabinding mo.
Oh my gosh. They're so good. Ah! Uy, grabe.
Ang saya naman.
Ay, nako. Uwi na nga tayo.